Hello guys! In today's video, the objective is to find coterminal angles. How to find coterminal angles? Now in finding the coterminal angles, first you have to look for the terminal side. Because you know for a fact that coterminal angles have the same terminal side. So you have to look first for the terminal side. So, example, in 30 degrees, we know that the terminal side of 30 degrees is in the first quadrant. So, you can easily find for its coterminal angles. Or you just add 360 degrees to 30 degrees. The result is 390 degrees. And that is the least positive coterminal angle. Then, to look for the other coterminal angle, you only have to add again 360 degrees. So 390 plus 360, that is 750 degrees. So the next positive coterminal angle of 30 degrees is 750 degrees. Or 2 turns is equivalent to 720 plus 30, that is 750 degrees. And so on and so forth. Now how about the greatest negative coterminal angle? So you can simply subtract it with 360. So 30 degrees minus 360. The result is 330 degrees. And that negative 330 degrees, as I have said, is the greatest negative coterminal angle. In finding the next negative coterminal angle, you can add 360 degrees. So 330 degrees plus 360 degrees, that is 690 degrees. That 690 degrees, or negative 690 degrees, is the other coterminal angle of 30 degrees. Let us take another example. What are coterminal angles of 840 degrees? 840 degrees is more than 2 turns. 2 turns is 720 degrees. So 840 degrees minus 720 degrees is 120 degrees. So 2 turns, let's try to illustrate. So 2 turns, one rotation is 1 turn. Another complete rotation is 720 degrees plus 120 degrees. That is where your terminal side is located. So this is where the terminal side is located. You can now identify your least positive coterminal angle and the greatest negative coterminal angle. So actually you can just subtract 840 minus 720, that is 120. So 120 is your least positive coterminal angle. Then your greatest negative, so you just subtract 120 minus 360 is negative 240 degrees. 120 degrees is the least positive coterminal angle. and negative 240 is the greatest negative coterminal angle. You can still look for other coterminal angles by adding 360 degrees. So you can add 360 degrees to 120. So 120 plus 360 is 480. So 480 is another coterminal angle of 840. Negative 240 plus negative 360, that is 600. So 600 is another, negative 600 is another coterminal angle of 840 degrees. Let us have one more example. What are coterminal angles of negative 660 degrees? We should remember that negative angles are on a clockwise direction. So before answering, let us try to locate first its terminal side. Let's try to illustrate. So from 0 degree, one complete rotation is 360 degrees. That's negative 360 degrees. Then since it's 660, so it's more than 300. One complete rotation plus 300. So one complete rotation, that's 360. Then it is over 300. So it rests here. So its terminal side is this one. So we can now easily identify its coterminal angles, the positive and the negative coterminal angles. So again, this is its terminal side. So its positive coterminal angle is from the x-axis going to this one. So it is its least positive coterminal angle. So that is measured as 60 degrees. Is its least positive coterminal angle is 60 degrees. How about its greatest negative coterminal angle? So its greatest negative coterminal angle is from the 0 degree in a clockwise direction. So it is measured as, or its measurement is 300 degrees. So its greatest negative coterminal angle is negative 300 degrees. Now, in looking for the other coterminal angles, the positive and the negative, you're going to add 360 degrees. So, for 60 degrees, for positive coterminal angles, if you're going to add 360 degrees plus 60 degrees, that is 420 degrees. Then, if you're going to add one more coterminal angle, so just add 360. 420 degrees plus 360 degrees is 780 degrees. Now for the negative coterminal angle, so you can add 360. So that's negative 300 plus negative 360, so that's negative 660 plus 3, negative 360. So another coterminal angle is negative 1020. I hope you learned something. Thanks for watching and please subscribe, like, and share.